I'm Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo Associates. I am a certified elder law attorney under authorization of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. I have a master's of laws in taxation and a certificate in estate planning. And I can tell you that creating an estate planning for you and your family might be one of the most important things that you're ever going to do. But there are four must knows before you begin the process that I think it's essential that you know. One, it's not just about a will. Two, probate can be avoided. Three, taxes might take a bite out of your estate, but that probably is okay. And four, it is not one size fits all. So click on the link below to learn more about the four must knows of estate planning. So let me talk a little bit about them so that you have a little bit of idea. It's not just about a will, right? We all could lose capacity. We could all have something in our lives that allows us to not make decisions for ourselves. Who's going to make that financial decision? Who's going to make that medical decision? What are your wishes for end of life? Right? Those are very important things. And none of those are even remotely covered in a base will. You can avoid probate, and you very well may want to, right? Probate is a legal process or a court process that carries out our wishes in a will. But probate can be expensive. And not only can it be expensive to the fees that you have to pay, but also the legal fees that you have to pay for the lawyers. But if we're going to avoid probate, we have to make sure we do it right. So you want to make sure that you don't just do it by beneficiary designating everything without knowing what that means and what the implications are to your family later after you're gone. Now, taxes, right? One thing we know for sure, there's going to be taxes in our life. There are inheritance taxes that are taxes that Pennsylvania will tax, and there may be, for very few people, federal estate tax. As long as you don't have a federal estate tax problem and you're not hovering around $13.99 million, which none of our clients are, then we're only talking about inheritance tax. But I always describe that as a nuisance, as that little pimple on your back. Inheritance tax could be a good thing because your kids are going to get a step up in basis. And then what that means is that they're going to pay far less in capital gains tax if they ever sold any assets than they would if they didn't have the inheritance tax. So you need to understand that tax, and one size does not fit all. I promise you, every family is unique. Every situation is different. Some families have kids that they want to protect money from. Some families have kids they want to protect money for. Some families want to make sure that some of their money is available when they die and that they don't lose it to creditors or long-term care costs. But each situation is unique, and you have to get a plan that is right for your family that isn't going to cost you an arm and a leg. Click on the link, download our free e-guide, and take a look at these four must-knows before creating an estate plan to learn a little bit more about what you should know before you begin. We would love to help you, but more importantly, we want you to get this e-guide. No pressure, no hassle. We'll send it to you, and if you would like to work with us or to attend one of our free educational workshops, we would love to see you. But otherwise, take the information to heart. We hope you learned something from it. Have a great day.